Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Welcome. Thank you for joining me on Jomo. Thank you, Jomo, for inviting me. Today's clip is about empowerment and how it plays out in Beyond the Fields, my debut novel, which is about rape, resilience, and reclaiming honor. And it's a story about a young village girl called Zara. Zara has dreams. She wants to study, become someone important. And then one ordinary day, her twin sister Tara is abducted and raped, and the nightmare begins. So empowerment is, a key theme I wanted to talk about today. And the character of Zara is central to the theme of empowerment, because every day she is navigating her life between, trying to get more control over her life and then being sort of put back into her place. And उसकी अम्मी कहती हैं काम करो, वो कहती है मैंने काम नहीं करना, मैंने पढ़ना है. So हर दिन उसके लिए एक चैलेंज बन जाता है. From the beginning there is a tension between कि what Zara wants, उसको क्या चाहिए और उसको क्या मिलता है. It's a tug of war between choices and power. And then she wants to control her life. She wants, she wants to become stronger and more confident. She wants to claim her rights. And then there is, towards the end of the book, there's almost like an epiphany about what, empowerment means to Zara. And so the point is that, what do you think? I'd love to hear what you think about empowerment. What do you think it means to a 15-year-old girl in Punjab? And do you think it's influenced by patriarchy, our culture, and our society? So do share your thoughts with me. And moving on, I'd like to read a little segment from my book, Beyond the Fields. It's chapter 1. It's where Zara gets on a bus from her village to go find her twin. 207 days since the rape. 205 days since my twin had been taken away, and miles of muck in between. I sank into my seat and shut my eyes. Laughter burst out, chatter hummed, hawker boys screeched deals for sticky sweetmeats and icy colas. I inhaled and tasted dry grape. The horn bleated like a fidgety goat. Closing my eyes, I counted seconds and then went faster than seconds. When the engine growled and the hollow metal body shuddered, I crouched on the seat. A dust cloud had swallowed my village. Down, Jahil. Flushing, I lowered myself into the seat. I wasn't a Jahil. I could prove it too, but I wasn't free yet. I was caged from the tip of my head to the soles of my slippers. Abba said I didn't have a choice. Amma said the burqa gave me freedom. I could see others without being seen, but I wanted to be seen and heard, like other girls, like girls who went to school, like girls who chased their dreams. Without warning, the bus lurched to a stop. Dham dham. A feverish beat led a wedding procession across the road. Starched like a puppet, the groom straddled a white horse, surrounded by a crowd of men whirling pink scarves. Behind him, the bride, swaddled in folds of tinsel red and gold, huddled on a mule, trying to inch forward within the pack of soulful pipers and a pack of dark, veiled women. The horn blared again, and childlike eyes looked up from the folds of the cloth. I shivered. In a dark flicker, I became that bride bound to a new family. Amma had declared I was old enough. I was 15 or 16, she wasn't sure. She had no records or pictures of our birth, but claimed we had been born the year after River Sutlej flooded our village. She'd shown me off to aunties wanting good girls for their nephews and to wrinkled men seeking second wives. But they said I wasn't white enough. I made poor tea, and I didn't have much of a dowry. I smoked a hookah too, but they didn't know that. They didn't know me. I hope you enjoyed that, and I look forward to hearing your thoughts about empowerment and what it means to us in these days. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.